that empty propeller to turn one way and the engine to turn the other. Back down in the torque rule, going in reverse. Now 70 miles an hour and box the nose out. Put your hands together for the First Lady of Aviation. Now going to the stroke center, she'll pull up again. Hard, feeling 7 times or 8 times the force of gravity as she tumbles the airplane. Goes to, boy, I wish I had my mother-in-law up there. Coming down the backside, she's upside down. Recovers upside.